Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher as Presentacion Jr. and I'm the chef at Group 5. This is our ingredients. Flour, baking soda, sugar, vinegar, baking powder, vanilla extract, 3 eggs, melted butter, and milk. I have here my sieve, chocolate for filling and garnish, bowl, and ube food color. Here are some what we need. A cupcake liner. And now, I am going to show you the procedure. First, mix all together all dry ingredients using a sieve. Then, add the baking powder and the baking soda. While mixing, add the sugar, melted butter, and milk. After adding the milk, put the vinegar. Next, you're going to mix the egg. Mix it all together until incorporate. And now guys, it is getting smooth in texture. Then now add vanilla extract for extra flavor and aroma. And now I am adding some extra food color to make it more fun and beautiful. Set aside the mixture and get the cupcake pan. Put the mixtures slowly, little by little. We are excited to tell you that we made 22 cupcakes. My sweet tooth got an idea. I put chocolate garnish in my cupcake, sprinkling it all over the cupcake. Palagay ko na po sa oven. Lulutuin ito ng 15 minutes. And now we are going to check the cupcake if it's already cooked and done.
Careful kasi it's mainit.
At ngayon, igagawa ko na po ang frosting. The more the frosting, the tastier it gets. Ayun lang po. Salamat po sa minamahal ko po, nanay, tas ate. That's all for today. You can call me Chef Chris. I'm at group 5. And mabuhay!